अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आई होप you have watched my sandwich series. I've just started out. I've uploaded 2 videos of sandwiches. I will be coming out with more inshallah. So for now, I've made a red chicken curry. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें 750 grams of chicken I have taken in a bowl. To this, add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. Also add half a cup of tomato puree. I have taken the ready tomato puree carton. You can also grind tomatoes, blanch the tomatoes in boiling water, remove the seeds, grind and add that to the chicken as well. Or you can use the ready tomato puree. Also add 1 large handful of fried onions. I usually fry onions and store them for biryanis as well. So I always have a stock of fried onions. But if you are frying the onions now, make sure to keep half a cup of oil, fried onion oil, aside so that you can add to the marinade as well. Also add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a cup of oil. Fried onion oil would be the best. 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 cup of curd, 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup or sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, red chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Also add 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I'm also adding red food color. I've taken Baker's red, orange red liquid food color. But if you do not wish to add, you can avoid. That is completely optional. Also, I'm grinding 10 to 12 almonds, 10 to 12 cashews, and 3 to 4 cardamoms. You can either grind them to a fine paste or to a powder and add that to the marinade as well. Mix well and marinate for at least 2 hours, or if it is for the next day, you can marinate it overnight in the refrigerator. After the marination time is done, remove the marinade to a cooking pot. Rinse out the bowl and add that to the marinade as well. That will be around a glass of water. Add a few curry leaves and let it boil on high flame for around 5 minutes. Then cover, lower the flame and cook till the chicken is completely done. Once the chicken is completely done, add around 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, mix and switch off the flame. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot. Goes very well with rice, parathas as well. So please do try it out. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.